Hey guys, I'm Wheelchair. This is...
Danai.
I'm sorry if my voice doesn't sound too good. My mic is not... Oh yeah, it is. It's plugged in. Sorry. The spit guard for it is gone, so it might sound a little too loud, but I'll try and edit it. If it doesn't sound right, I'm sorry. But, yeah. So, Borderlands. Here we go.
Yay.
What the crap, Danny? Unplug and replug.
Better?
No. I'm getting an echo. Let me fix it. By doing this?
Your guy is
Yeah, I know, I
like
gotta-
zooming it. There we go. It's
I
fixed
was
now.
fixing my,
Okay.
I
So
was
I
hearing
have
an
my
echo.
doll, I have my Jacob, I have my husband.
So, why didn't I just do this? So we gotta go.
I have
that
to remember the controls.
way. They're pretty much the same as Call of Duty.
Oh, we were gonna find the sniper rifle, which isn't really that good of a sniper rifle, but
It's pretty crappy. It's pretty bad. Danny, go get the sniper rifle built. I'm gonna go
I'm
do
in a
this.
car.
I'm just gonna go kill
Ow! A snag? A snag?
a
Yes,
snag.
definitely. No. A skag is trying to eat in my car. Which doesn't make sense because it has a rocket launcher attached to it. What are you trying to do?
Oh, I'm trying to kill Bonehead. This could end up badly. This could end badly.
Yeah.
I'm about to die. This is gonna end badly. Don't kill me! I have 2 health! I have 2 health! I have 2 health, reload! Turn around! I don't know, Elder Skag, please don't hurt me. What? Hello, Danny. I got hit by a
Hello.
tomahawk from that guy all the way over there somehow. No, I want you to look.
Yeah, I'm taking damage.
Thank you for the car.
Hey, get out of my car! Really? You're gonna steal my car? Where are we going?
In here, obviously. You know, if you get inside your vehicle right now, that it'll teleport with us, but never mind.
So we gonna go get the rifle parts, or are we gonna go kill Mo and Marley?
Sorry, guys, I'm eating at the same time. Yummy.
Let's not kill Mo and Marley.
I thought we already did.
No.
I thought we did.
No, we didn't.
Crap. Really? Come here, you little skag. Get out of here. Yeah, you too. Hey, Danny, what if I told you?
Ow,
there's
what is
skag
happening?
right there?
All right.
Go! Bloodwing! That's a grenade! Dang it, how do I use Bloodwing? Crap.
LB.
Oh,
LB.
yes, that's how.
Danny, this could leave a problem. This could be a problem. Please help me.
Oh, the badass corrosive skag.
Yes, please
Yes,
help me.
that's-
Please help me.
Will, there's 2 of them, and one of them's following me, too. Here, have a second one.
No, we have to run. I'm running for my life. Danny, run! Danny, run!
I think Mo and Marley are here, because I just saw something explode.
That was me. I threw a grenade. Give me, run! Danny, run! I'm dead. Please save me. Here, I'll get their attention. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. Let me shoot him. Save me.
Ow. Ow. Painful.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
So angry.
There's another
And then
one.
I
isn't
leveled
there?
up, so yes, gain health when Bloodwing attacks. That's what I need. Whoa! Why is he incinerating?
Because that's mine. I used my incinerator sniper.
Nice.
Danny, I want that purple weapon that's over here. What's this?
Doll Shock Bouncing Betty.
I don't even know what it does. Oh, I know what it is. Yeah, why not?
I picked
Yeah,
up
get
a gun. Whoa, I just picked up an awesome scattergun. Wait, that's not a scattergun, it's a rocket launcher!
Danny, come here. I'm getting ammo and health.
Jared, I just got a rocket launcher.
They suck in this game, unfortunately.
It's not giving me ammo.
Because they're probably full.
Yeah, that could be. No! I just got ammo from the...
Danny, run. Just run. Just run.
Why?
Do you not see what's
Why are
there?
we... Oh, that's why we're running. Bye.
I shot him.
Probably
wanna
should
run.
not have used your turret.
You might want to run. You might want to run. Run.
Oh, wonderful bandits. Yeah, how about you guys have fun with these skags?
Oh my god, stuff is exploding and I'm almost dead. Boing. I'm dead.
You're gonna have to kill somebody because I can't really get to you right now.
I'm trying. Danny, just please help me. Thanks, Danny.
I can't!
Yeah, you could. I wish my sister would shut the door.
Screw
Jesus.
you, mutant midget psycho.
Oh,
Oh
come
crap,
on.
burning psycho. No, screw this.
Oh, crap.
Bloodwing.
My headset fell off. Man, thanks for the 120 experience. Danny,
Yeah, that's because Ow!
told you. Maybe I should just not save you this time.
Oh, well, there's a... Yeah, I killed him. Please don't tell me there's racks.
Yes, there are. I saw them. In there.
Awesome.
Sweet! Wasn't expecting that.
Oh man. What do you want, cat? So Danny.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so glad we're recording again.
Me too.
Yeah, it has.
Hello.
Oh, and actually, while I'm thinking about this, decided to tell the swarm, every time we reach a landmark, let's call it, with subscribers, we will have a special. Our first one is 20 subscribers special with our microwave montage, where basically we just put random stuff in the microwave and see what happens.
Yup.
So subscribe, join the swarm today. We get 20, you get to see us explode microwaves.
I love
It's
microwaves.
gonna be amazing. What?
I love microwaves.
Somebody cover me!
I love exploding. Well, explosions. I don't want to actually explode.
Come on, die. You please die. You just die. Die, you biscuit.
Can you place your turret soon so I can get health?
As soon as I kill this guy. That I wish you didn't have killed.
Why? I can heal you.
'Cause he had one shot left. I would have been able to revive myself.
Yeah, I'm about to... what just happened?
Explosion tank. Killed me.
What?
Exploding tank.
The meat puppet! Alright, heal!
Exploding tank? But
Yeah,
what
it was-
happened to your turret?
I haven't thrown it yet.
Oh. Ah, Bloodwing. Bloodwing, kill him. Ah, Bloodwing! Thank you.
No. You idiot.
No, the main purpose of the turret is to shoot people. So
Danny, don't kill him!
I didn't.
But you did.
So it would help if you placed it so it would help kill them too.
It does help kill them, but I don't really want to right now. Because I'm gonna die and it just despawns.
I call these lockers.
Oh, I got the ones
Really?
right here. We both share the money anyway. It's not like it really did anything. There was only money in there. I called the weapon boxes over here.
I want the weapon box.
I believe, yes, it's right here.
Well,
Yes.
I want the weapon box.
No, I called it.
No, you didn't.
So I did. I said call the weapon boxes over here.
No, you said there's also a weapon box over here, and I said I want the
No.
weapon box.
No, I didn't.
Oh, there's the safe house. Could never
Oh,
find
there's
that.
this. There's the weapon box.
Can I have the stuff that you don't use?
If I find anything that I don't use, I just crap. God.
Because if you
dang it.
sell it, we just split the money. So I'd rather you give me the stuff that you don't want.
God damn it. Okay, guys, looks like I'm gonna have to end the video here. Like and favorite the video, subscribe to join us from today, and I'll see you guys next time. And remember, 20 subscribers, microwave montage. It's gonna be awesome.